Okay, this is the test of the boom mic. So here we have our first one on the supplemental problems. So sodium carbonate and nitric acid. How would I approach this problem? First thing I would do is I would come up with their formulas. All right, so sodium carbonate and nitric acid. Next thing I would try to do is identify what kind of a reaction is this. This is a carbonate plus an acid. So as a carbonate plus an acid, that means it's going to produce carbon dioxide gas, water, and a salt. So now I can ask the question, okay, these things at the beginning, will these compounds be together as molecules or will they be separated into ions? And first one, sodium carbonate, this is going to be an ion because sodium carbonate has sodium, that's a group 1, all of them are soluble. The same thing can be true for nitric acid. It's a strong acid. All strong acids completely break up into their ions. So that tells me that I'm going to have these individual pieces, sodium and carbonate ions, hydrogen ions, nitrate ions. Because it's a carbonate with an acid, it's going to make carbon dioxide gas and H2O. Then the question is the salt. The salt would be the pieces that were left over. So the salts could involve right here the nitrate and right here the sodium. So sodium nitrate would be the salt. But my question is, will this form a solid or will it stay as ions? And they will stay as ions because all group 1 are completely soluble and will dissociate, and also all nitrates will. So this is everything that's in the beaker. But everything that shows up on both sides of the arrow, everything that's on both sides of the arrow is a spectator. So nitrate ions are spectators. Sodium ions are spectators, and they don't get written. Remove them, and you're left with the net reaction. Carbonate plus hydrogen ion forms carbon dioxide gas and water. That's your net ionic.